Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog I am going to Butlins, but basically that is next week, but I wanted to pack this week because I've got a busy week. So this is my packing list. I haven't finished everything so far, and then I'm going to start packing with you, so I'll see you in a sec. So I've currently got 2 skirts, 3 dresses, but I'm trying to decide on a 4th dress because I need more of like a going out dress. Like they're all going out, but more like one of these. I think I'm going to pick this one. Bye. How many shorts is too many shorts? So I've got denim shorts, and they're my only denim shorts, so I'm keeping them. Then I've got some black ones, I've got to keep them. And I don't think I need 4 shorts, so I've got to pick a colour. These don't have pockets, but the band is better. These have pockets, but they're really small and the bands are worse. I'm going to go orange. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. It's a white top. I think this is from Primark, and then the skirt is from New Look. This is outfit number 2. White top and blue shorts. This is outfit number 3. I'm sorry if the lighting has changed. I probably will change the top. I kind of want to change it to a white one. I just didn't have the ones I wanted with me right now, so I just put this one on for wearing purposes. This is outfit number 4. The shorts are a little bit short, but this is the top, which I really like. I got it recently, and these are the shorts. This is outfit number, I think, 5 now. So I've got this long flowy skirt from H&M. Yeah, and then this is from Primark. Outfit number 6. So this is like a play suit with this weird capey thing. So this is from New Look. And just like, imagine I've got a full face of makeup done and my hair nice with a handbag and like some nice shoes. So yeah. Outfit number 7. I think this is actually so cute. I think this is from Primark. I might just be saying that. But yeah, I love the puffy sleeves and just the whole entire vibe and this part of the back. It's just so cute. Outfit number 8. I got this more recently. This is from New Look, and it was on sale for like a really good price. It's just so cute, and I love dresses that are like this at the front. I can't explain it. Okay, I think this is outfit number 9. This is so cute. It's from New Look. I absolutely love this dress. Sorry if the angle's a bit weird, but this is the angle we're doing. I'm going to quickly run through bikinis and cover-ups. Top of bikini, bottom, wrong side. Bottom, top, top, bottom, top, bottom, and then cover up, which I normally wear is not a beach cover up, but I'm gonna wear it as one. Another cover up, and yet again another cover up. Okay, so I got a cardigan. I'm going to pack a hoodie as well. I'll probably show that in another clip that I'll edit in at the end. These are the jeans I've picked. They're my Y2K ones. I have got some pajamas, socks, and like, yeah, I think that's it. We'll go to hair, makeup, skincare. Probably a different day though, because of, I still got to use it for the rest of this week. And then, shoes and handbags, I think I could do now. It's Thursday night. Last time you saw me was Sunday, I think, and I was packing. Today is Thursday, like I just said, and I've had a little glow up routine. I've like had an everything bath and put some tanning lotion on, and my hair is drying. I'm currently going to the nail salon to get my nails done, and I have not picked what I'm getting done yet, so I need to go look at that. I'm going on holiday tomorrow after school, like straight after school, so I also need to pack, like finish packing. So yeah, I'll see you at the nail techs. Bye. I'm really sorry I didn't vlog much. Hi, this is the Butlins vlog. I think I'm going to keep it with the packing part of the vlog, but I am currently at my room and I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'll hopefully show you. Bye. Mum, don't you dare get in the way. Hello, good morning. I'm sorry for not recording much last night. I am so tired, but we have to get up for breakfast, so I've got to get ready. Yay! Jump on because we came back. I'm really sorry. I need to be vlogging more. I will be soon. So we had breakfast, then we wandered around a tiny bit, and then we went outside because we wanted to look outside, and I was really cold, and so was my mum because we didn't have any coat stuff, so we came back to put a coat on. I'm probably gonna add some makeup, and yeah, but we have to get back quick still. So I will see you back outside. I'm probably going to get a Costa. We've got painting a pot today, going swimming, probably going to go roller skating, look at the fair, crazy golf, so much entertainment stuff. So come with me. So we are just walking to the fairground. I'm going to try and record some more clips instead of just my face. And I just had a Costa. It was so nice. And like I shared it with my mum because I want her to start buying Costas for me more often. So actually it's right there. I'm just going to flip the camera and show you. Not cool. This is the fairground. There's like all sorts. I don't even know if we're going on any or if we're just going to go look at it. I should turn it sideways. I'm currently on the couch, so yeah, trying to not drop my phone. I'm currently in the Butlins gift shop looking if I want to spend my money on anything. I haven't seen anything yet though. Some makeup because it's the next day. I'm probably not going to record it all, and yes, I am putting my moisturiser on after my concealer. I just forgot to put this moisturiser on, and so I'm just going to tell you what happened. So I can't really remember the last time I talked to you. I think it was before I went to the pool. So we went to the pool, but there wasn't really pools, it was just slides. We went on the rapids, which were really fun. We went on that for most of the time, and then we also went on a ring thing. It's a really big slide, but it's in a ring, and you go with other people. So we're hopefully going to book it again soon so we can go again, because it was really fun. And after that, oh, I haven't shown you my go either. The clay pot I was painting. After that, oh my god, my brain's gone blank. Give me 1 second. Sorry about the delay. Got to rub the blush in. So yeah, after that, after the swimming pool, we went back, got ready again, went to have dinner. After dinner, we went to go see this Masked Singer show, which was actually really good. I've never watched Masked Singer on TV, but that was really good. And then after that, we went to go see this ABBA show, which I absolutely loved. So it was an ABBA dance show and singing show. It was a really good performance. Then we went to a silent disco for a bit, which I absolutely loved. Just wish we could have been there for more time, but it was on at the same time as the ABBA show, so it's kind of hard. Then after that, we went back to the apartment and we played games. Let me just finish the rest of this makeup. So I didn't record much this morning, but we did manage to book in a slot for the swimming and slides tomorrow, so that's Monday. But because we missed breakfast, I got a sandwich and a Costa drink. We hung out at a cafe for a bit, and then we went down to the beach. We had a walk, and then we went trying to get into the circus, but we couldn't get in. But we're gonna try and book another slot at a different time. So we went roller skating disco thing instead, and now we've just got changed because it's actually warming up, and we're gonna go do crazy golf. Ooh. So I'm gonna try and record it. Bye. Sorry for how loud it is right now, but I am currently at the circus. I'm scared of clowns, so I'm really hoping there isn't any clowns. But yeah, let's watch it. I'll see you soon. Bye. Just put a mask on. I'm trying to clap, I'm gonna drop it. we had to wait a bit for the circus. We just chilled out, waited, and then went to the circus. You saw some clips from that. It was really good. Then we went to dinner, which I didn't record. I ate a lot of stuff again. Lots of cake and ice cream and obviously main food. There was some Chinese food. And after dinner, we chilled out a bit. We tried to go to karaoke because, yeah, but then, like, there was no tables left. We only wanted to watch people. We didn't want to actually do it. But, yeah, so that was full, which was annoying. But, then we went to a pub, just sat there for a bit. And then we went to a Robbie Williams tribute show. He's from Take That. It was really good because it was the same cast as last night from the summer night thing. So yeah, it's been really good today. You get to see my final day tomorrow. I'm really sorry for not recording much. So yeah, bye till tomorrow. So we just had to check out of our apartment, and then we went for breakfast, which I didn't record, but we went to the deck, like the other lovely place. We're about to go put in all our tickets we got to see what we can get. I think we're just going to get like a big bag of sweets, and then we're going to go to the souvenir shop. So yeah, I'll see you soon. I'm really so excited. But I just went to school, it was so good. It felt so short notice, so it's now start that it felt like really little. I didn't go on the Vortex, which is the big whirlpool if you've ever been to Butlins or heard about it before. I wanted to, but at the same time I'm really scared. I might go on it if we come to Butlins again, because this is my last day. But I wanted on the Rapids, which is the blue thing that is famous. And then I also went on the family raft thing. It's like in a big green dinghy. I don't know what to call it. So anyway, I'll probably say goodbye to you later because I'm going to get in the car and might get a Costa. And yeah, bye for now. Don't judge my goat. This is from the other day. I'll do today's review soon. This is my goat. Meh. Did I really just go meh? I really like goats. I think it's really cute. But then I don't really see grey goats that often. I'm going to put it down. Moving on. Oh, and come on, stop. Lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side.